my channel. My name's Sabine if you're new here, and I know y'all looking like, sis, you looking a little crazy right there, okay? I know I just got back from working out with my best friend. I don't know if y'all can see, but this shirt is a little lighter than this. It's just sweat, okay? Like, yeah, I just got back from working out, and that's why I look like this. That's why my hair is a mess. And yeah, I know I'm looking a little gross, but today is our 3-week maintenance, okay? So yeah, so today I'm going to be washing my Microlinks, and I'm going to be doing something different with them. This is what it's looking like right now. Keep in mind, I know y'all looking like, girl, that don't look the same like I was looking at in the last video. I've honestly been mostly wearing my Microlinks up in ponytails or like buns. I haven't been doing too much with it, so I was basically waiting for wash day to do something different. Overall, I have been loving my Microlinks. So far, so good. I would definitely get Microlinks again. After I finish washing it, I'm gonna kind of show y'all like my scalp, what my scalp is looking like. I'll see you guys after my wash, after I finish washing my hair.
So I'm gonna play this one for y'all.
Okay guys, I am finally finished with my hair. I just kind of did like some two strand twists on my hair so that, you know, my hair and the links can like blend well together. When it dries, I will take them out. Look at my nails, like the red dye did this to my nails. And if I wasn't getting my nails done on on Sunday, I would be very upset. But it's okay because I'm getting my nails done, so it's okay. So overall, I really love these Microlinks. I like how much fuller my hair is. It gives my hair volume, it gives it length, and it looks just like my hair. People can't tell the difference in public. They're just like, oh, your hair is so pretty, and I'm like, oh, thanks. In my head, I'm like, it's weak, but we won't say anything. I'm not sure. I haven't really decided what I want to do. They honestly aren't that bad maintenance wise and keeping up with them. You just have to make sure you're taking care of them. You want to make sure you're running your fingers through them often so they're not getting tangled up. You're making sure like it's not matted. You don't want to have it in just like one position or one hairstyle for however long and then you're not taking care of the hair. So brushing it, keeping your scalp moisturized, keeping your hair moisturized, just having it sitting in your bonnet or just having it just in a bun the whole time, it's not gonna do anything for you. And then so your hair is gonna get matted. You're gonna try to brush it out. Don't use a comb, use a brush. Hold on, this is the brush I use. Denim brush, not a denim brush, but like, you know, paddle brush. Anyway, so yeah, you don't want to use a comb. You want to use a brush. You're keeping up with it. At least do that and make sure your scalp is moisturized, and that will, you know, help you out, especially if you don't have time to keep up with the maintenance, or if you don't have time to do whatever. But you have to brush your links, and you have to make sure your scalp is moisturized. Those are the two most important things that I have realized having these, is making sure your scalp is moisturized and also making sure you're brushing out your links and you're not letting it get matted. If you do not brush your links, or you just leave it and let it sit and just, you know, mat together, and then you're like, oh well, this hair is trash, or I don't like, you can't do that. You have to take care of it or it's done. Like, it's not gonna work. Since I've had the links, which is 3 weeks now, only 2 of my links have came out. I was kind of brushing and it kind of snagged. It was like, but yeah, so far for the 3 weeks that I've had the links, only 2 of my links have fell out, so that is pretty good. You got to make sure you're not brushing your hair really hard. You got to make sure you're brushing the surface, like you're not like actually like digging it in there. You're just kind of, but you know what I'm saying, like you have to take your time. You have to be careful. You have to care, like you have to treat it gently. You have to take your time with it. Like you can't rush. You're gonna screw your shit. Like you gonna mess your stuff up, man. Like, so yeah. I'm definitely gonna try to do more hairstyles with it. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do. I'm definitely gonna try to start trying new hairstyles with these links while I have them. So yeah, I will see you guys later when I either take these out tonight or tomorrow.
I'm gonna play this one for y'all.
If you're thinking about getting Microlinks, I would suggest you do. Try them out, see how you like them. Alright guys, that is the ending of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on that post notifications so you know when I post. Also, share this video. Okay, bye.
Share it with your sisters and your mamas and your aunties and your uncles and your daddies and your cousins and whoever. Share this video, okay? Share this video, okay? I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.